It's Meister time on White Mountains TV. Here's this week's video from the Mountain Meisters Race Series at Cranmore Mountain Resort. Coverage presented by Settlers Green, local restaurants in countless styles at 70 tax-free stores. Zeb's General Store, an old-fashioned general store experience unlike anything else in New England. And the Valley Originals, sharing a commitment to their community and a passion for excellence in food and service.
And here's one of our shack guys. How you doing today, huh?
Good.
Yeah, good to see you. Who made the course this week?
Eddie said.
Eddie Bradley, who just skipped on down. Cool. Look at that. And there's your ever-present videographer, Hans. Look at this, jeans.
Hey, every week.
Jean jacket. You vintage.
Yeah, man. And then some.
Shoveling out the snow. Flying down the mountain. Woo! Yeah! Wow, we missed it. That was a fall. Woohoo! I almost just fell myself.
That was a good one.
Jeez.
The snow snakes are out again this season.
All right, there's the K-Ham. We'll figure out wherever teams are in just a minute.
We got 10 inches of snow overnight, so, you know, little ruts forming, but nothing too bad. Skiing pretty good. Try to keep it as clean as possible. Yeah, just a beautiful day to be out here.
Do you know anything off the top of your head about teams or anything? How people do?
Not yet. We will. Me and Sean will know better tonight, and then they get released. Everything gets released next week.
Okay,
So
tune
it's
in.
still a surprise.
Yeah, there's Mr. Eagle Eyes over there. Is that that's your
man.
That's your post, huh? Yeah, there's a Bruin. Look at this. Faces, 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 faces. Woo! Joe Veger, Joe Veger, the new cameraman, and this is Maddie here. Out of the gate.
Supposed to.
Go get him.
She's trying to get something reaction out of you. She'll get it later, right?
Put my game face on right now.
All right, all right, all right. Look at that smile, man. Woo! How'd that feel?
Ooh, baby, that was just perfect.
Keep it clean in here.
Little house cleaning.
Yeah.
Get shoveling the snow out of the doorway.
Put that nice salty snow right out in the start, right?
What's that?
Put the salty snow right out in the start.
Yeah.
Woo.